In today's tutorial, we are going to see how you can remove any watermark from any video for free. So it is going to be a very short tutorial. Make sure you stick around with me till the end. And for now, let's begin with the tutorial. So we will be using three-step process, 3C process, which is contour, crop and conceal process. So for this, I am using Filmora 12. You may use any video editing software. The process will remain same. This is a video where there is a watermark at the bottom right hand side corner. Most of the free softwares do leave a watermark somewhere around the edges nowadays. Okay. Double click on the display screen or on your clip on the timeline and slowly drag it. Increase the size of the display and check. Okay, so this way you can get rid of any video. Let me try with some other video. Let's suppose this is one video. Double click, just increase the size a little bit. Okay, this is called contouring process, which is possible in any basic video editing software. You may try it out and it is very effective. Now there is one constraint here. You might end up losing a vital part of your video since we are resizing it on the screen. Right? So there comes the second process, which we called the second C or cropping. Let's go and see how that works. For cropping, go to this crop tool option from here. And from this aspect ratio, you may change any aspect ratio. For me, it is 16:9. I will keep that ratio fixed. And I will just drag this box and apply. That way also, without losing the vital part, I can resize it and crop the video and get rid of the watermark. Let us try with the second video. Now right click and you can go to this crop and zoom option as well. So here again you can custom the size and that way you can change it to any aspect ratio. Otherwise you can keep 16:9 and then you can select the main part of the video and apply. That way also you can save the vital part of the video. And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So let's begin with the third process, which is concealing process. Well, that process is easy if you use Filmora, but if you are using any other software, you may use the keyword which I am going to use here as well. Go to this effect section and in this search bar, search for mosaic, M-O-Z-A-I-C and enter. Here you get this option, mosaic option. Just drag and drop it on the second timeline on the B-roll. Okay, and reduce the size to the same size of the clip. Now see, there has a box appeared on the screen. Just click on the screen, the box will be selected. Otherwise, just double click on this timeline. The new parameter monitor will be opening. Right? Now all I need to do is just make it small and bring it on the logo. Okay? Bring it on the logo. Make sure the entire logo is selected. Now come here in this drop down and select the last option. Then blur the entire amount. Okay. And now if I play, you see there is a subtle blur effect, but you hardly can recognize that this is hidden. This is concealed. Now here is one disclaimer, guys. Getting rid of the watermark from the surface of any video does not essentially give you the copyright on that asset. So if you are planning to use these assets for commercial usage or monetization on YouTube, I would strongly encourage you to take the legal copyright by taking the subscription of the particular software. Any software, even if you take a basic subscription, they will not leave any watermark ideally on the assets. And take this, drag and drop it on the timeline and reduce the size to the same size of the clip. Now double click. Reduce the size from here, bring it on the logo. Make sure the entire logo is selected properly and then come here. You can try with other types also if you want, but I have seen this one gives the best. See, this is vanished actually, and if you increase the blur, you see it'll barely, you can barely understand there is a logo. Okay, if you need a little more clarity, all you need to do is just drag another layer on top of it. Okay, double click, reduce the size, and place it on top of the previous one, and leave it like that. And now you see, you can barely understand there was anything at all. And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.